Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Reply, and this week I'm going to show you what I wore. No, sort of kind of, because okay, all right. So this one I wore on Monday and it's from Temu. I like it. It covers the arms. I raise my hand like this, you're not seeing the armpit. It's long enough. All right, so this one I wore on Monday, so I'm going to show you the one I wore on Tuesday. All right, so this one, guys, I wore on Tuesday. It's a turtleneck, long sleeve. Definitely not my favorite for this week. It was not hot. It's really thin. Here is a mess, guys. I didn't do the update on the hair. I will do that soon. Anyway, so this is the outfit. It's a bit short, I would say, but yes. So this is another Temu one, but it's not bad. It's just not for Jamaica. Okay, it's not bad at all. On Wednesday, I didn't go to work, but I did get an outfit from Temu. I'm gonna put it on. Alright guys, so this is another Temu dress. Alright, this is definitely not a work dress. At the midsection is off. Definitely for small persons. I'm not small, but I think it can work if you have on like a jacket. What are you doing? Don't do that. Yeah, I think it can work if you have on like a jacket to hide everything. Let me get the jacket and come back. Hot, so it would have to be something longer than this. Alright, so if you had like a long jacket, but then again you're going to be way hot, or you could roll it over like this. Yeah, you could wear it like this to spice it up just a little bit, like that. So you could fix it how you want, like that, and it could work, but you're probably going to be hot. All right guys, so this is another one. No, I did see this one on Temu, but I did not buy it. I don't know the reason why I did not buy it. Probably was a bit high priced, and I decided to keep everything under $8. Well, my package did not come in time, so I had to buy something new to wear to work. So I decided to buy this and another one. I'm gonna put the other one on. It's a pink color. This one here is the green. I really like it. It feels classy, but I wish I had more, you know, to just curve it off, but it's fine. Oh, and it didn't come with this blouse right here. I bought this separately. It's a transparent thing going on. If you're not going to be able to see anything if you're not doing any investigation or anything like that. The back, so I'm well covered and it's not too short. I really like this one, but doesn't seem like I have any shape in this one. You understand? It was like that. You see how that curvy little bit? Curvy little bit, yes. But anyways, yeah, so this one I wore on Thursday. So yes, on Thursday. Alright, so I'm gonna put on the pink one to it. Alright, so this one here is the pink one. Alright, which one do you like better? Do you like the pink or the green? I just wish I had a little more shape. You see that? You see that? Look at this. See that? See that little curve there? Alright guys, so that is what I would have worn for the week if I've gone to school throughout the week. Alright guys, never mind the hair. I will tell you the story all about the hair soon. And in this lighting here, it seems like I have pretty hair. I have a coolie look to it, but it's the gel. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.